Hey love, I am back with another video and I am doing a product or item review for you guys. This is something I typically put in my new clients bag, and I just wanted to just review it and tell you guys about it. Ah, lock brush. Okay, so this is a lock brush. There are different brands, but LOCSANITY, I don't know if you guys are familiar with LOCSANITY, but LOCSANITY has a lock brush. They have plenty of other products specifically for locks. So this is a LOCSANITY lock brush that you can get off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description for you guys below if you guys want to check this out. But I was buying this and putting it in my new clients welcome bag. And I was like, why I ain't got one for myself? Cause baby, I'm over here treating everybody but myself. So I decided to get me one. And I was like, let me tell the girlies, the lock girlies, with the lock guys too, because I know some guys follow me. But I was like, let me tell the lot girlies about this because y'all need to know about all these amazing accessories or tools for our hair that we can use instead of, we don't always have to just finger comb our locks, which if you want to save your coins, go ahead and keep finger combing. There's nothing wrong with finger combing. But, especially for the girls with the long hair, if you want something where you can either use the lock comb that I reviewed a couple of months ago. Now we have the lock brush. It's very soothing to the scalp, very comfortable. It literally, my hair was in these are old two-strand twist curls, right? So it works well going through curls without yanking my locks. So I really enjoyed this, and so I just wanted to share it with you guys. It does massage the scalp. It feels really good when it's like running down my scalp. So I enjoyed this. If you decide to get one, let me know what you think about it. If you already have one, let me know what you think about it because I think it's very cool. This is just a wooden brush, right? Mm. So if you are going to use this, this is very soothing. This is very nice. It feels good on the scalp. But I have not tried this when I need a retie. I would not use this if I need a like if I'm needing a retie. If I do, I would just use it on the ends, right? Just use it on the ends, not on the root. Because if these get caught in the new growth, baby, I just don't know how you'll, especially if you got fine low density hair, baby, don't be using this on your roots with new growth and stuff. Because if it gets caught, I got a fresh retie for the most part. I think I retie about 2 weeks old, like maybe a week, maybe two. I can use it at the root and it's fine and it feels good. But if you 6 weeks or more with new growth, you got a lot of new growth, I would not recommend this because I can see this getting caught and trapped in your new growth, and then you over here trying to pull, you might pull some hairs out, right? Because this is so small, it'll get caught up in the new growth. So to avoid pulling hair out, to avoid damage, to avoid all this friction, use it. I would recommend using it when you don't need a serious retie. And if you need a retie and you want to use it, just on the ends, okay? Just on the ends. But let me know if you have this, if you've used this, how you like it, how you enjoy it. Again, this is off Amazon, so yes. But I think I like the comb better, but I put both the comb and this in my clients, my new clients, transfer clients bag, so they can have. But yeah, not new growth, but this feels good. This feels good on the scalp. All right, let me know if you've tried this before. Let me know how you like it. And I've already done a review on the comb. If you guys want to see the comb, go in. I don't know. I'll link the video. I'll link the video so you can see. But I definitely would recommend this if you are someone wanting something to detangle. This is great for detangling. As you can see, it helps, especially if you got curls and stuff. This is great for detangling. All right. That's it. If you have any questions, comments, or whatever, just put in the comments. Let me know. Let's talk about this. And if you're using a tool on your locks, some type of accessory or something like that, let me know because I love to try it too. So I've tried the combs. I've tried this. This is great. I like it. So if you're using something that I don't know about or maybe have not heard about, let me know so I can try it out. Y'all see all this hair? I'm about to trim it because it's getting too long for me. But anywho, enjoy. See you guys next time. Bye.